Upgrading to Google Analytics Tracking ID is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of Google Analytics and your website. To start with, you need to have a Google Analytics account and a website that you want to track. First, log into your Google Analytics account and navigate to the Admin section. In the Admin section, you will see a drop-down menu that lists all your properties. Select the property for which you want to upgrade the tracking ID. Next, click on the property settings and scroll down to the tracking info section. Here you will find your current tracking ID. If you want to upgrade to a new tracking ID, click on the property drop-down menu and select Create Property. Enter the required details such as website name, website URL, and industry category. Google Analytics will then generate a new tracking ID for your property. Now that you have your new tracking ID, you need to install it on your website. To do this, you can use the Google Tag Manager or directly add the tracking code to your website. If you are using Google Tag Manager, create a new tag and select Google Analytics as the tag type. Enter your new tracking ID and configure the tag settings as required. If you are adding the tracking code directly to your website, copy the tracking code from your Google Analytics account and paste it into the head section of your website. Make sure to replace your old tracking ID with the new one. After installing the new tracking ID, it is essential to test it to ensure that it is working correctly. You can use the real-time reports in Google Analytics to verify if the tracking ID is sending data to your account. Best practices for upgrading to a new Google Analytics tracking ID include setting up data retention and user permissions, configuring goals and events, and linking your Google Ads account to Google Analytics. It is also crucial to communicate the changes to your team and stakeholders to ensure that everyone is aware of the new tracking ID and its implications. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully upgrade to a new Google Analytics tracking ID and start tracking your website data more effectively.